friends, welcome to Math Today. Today we are going to be comparing groups of objects to figure out the group of objects that is less than. So yesterday for math, we compared two groups of objects and we talked about the group that had the greatest number, the most objects in the group. Today we're going to do the opposite and we're going to compare the groups the same way we did, except this time we're going to identify which group has less, the smaller number. Okay, so let's do some practice with this. So the first thing we're going to talk about is what this picture is showing. Okay, it has white tigers and orange tigers, and the two groups are matched up. We put the white tigers at the top and the orange tigers at the bottom. Now I want you to think about why are lines connecting each orange tiger to each white tiger? Why do we connect them? To show the matching. Good. Now I want you to think about why is there an X marked over the orange tigers? To show that that number of tigers in that group is less than the number of tigers in the white group. So yesterday, when we compared the two groups of objects, we circled a group of objects that were greater. Today, we're going to put an X over the group of objects that is less. All right, how is this picture like the first picture? Well, the tigers are lined up and matched 1 to 1. The group that is less in number than the other group has an X marked on it. Now, how is it different? Well, the tigers are stacked on top of one another instead of side by side. Now, take a look at these groups. Is the number of orange tigers less than the number of white tigers? You can find out by matching. The number of orange tigers is less than the number of white tigers. How do you know? Well, there is a white tiger that can't be matched. So there are not as many orange tigers. What words can you use to compare the orange tigers to the white tigers? What is that math vocabulary word you heard Miss Cup use at the beginning? You can use the words less than. So today, we're going to keep comparing groups and show which groups have less.